Guys, welcome to our new video. I'm here to show you how to reset your Blackview tab 60 to factory set. So we're going to wipe all the data here. So I'm here, but now I've been watching a lot of videos, but what they do, they put music, they don't explain, right? So it looks like this, right? This is the, you can see this is the tablet. It's called tab what? Tab 60. Blackview. Tab 60. Okay, right. So now what I was doing, they were so quick to help. So what do? You press, I'm gonna do it for you. Okay, I'm gonna practically talk and show you how it works. So let me do what I'm gonna say, power off. Okay, I'm gonna scroll using this, or let me see if we can get more light. Oh, we need more light here. Okay, so you can literally use this volume up and down to scroll. Okay, I'm gonna use that. Maybe you might not see, but I want to go off, switch off the power, right? Then you use this to switch it off. So once the machine is off, make sure the tablet is off. So what they don't explain is I really need more light. So these guys, they don't explain to you what you do. They just make a video, and I wonder if my lighting is good. I want everyone to benefit from this. So what you basically do, this is a volume up and volume down button. Okay, let me put it like volume up and volume down button. So you press both, volume up and volume up. Okay, literally you're gonna press 3 buttons. So since I'm using the same hand, it's gonna be difficult, but I'm going to explain. So what do, you hold here, volume up, volume down, and also you have to find a finger to help you press the power button at the same time. I'm gonna do that, even if you might not see, but you know what to press. So pressing 3 buttons at the same time, I'm gonna go for 3 buttons at the same time. Press them. Once the logo shows, you release them quickly. I did, yes. Wow, we got into that menu. Press volume up, volume down buttons with the power button. So once you see the logo, when it comes up immediately, you release it. You release both of them. So then what you're gonna do, we're gonna scroll down using volume up, volume down button. So you can see there's a lot of things here to read. So wipe data, factory reset. That's what I need. So when you go there, then you press the power button to it works as an enter. So I'm gonna say enter. Yes, that's what I say. Reset data, cancel. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select reset data. Okay, then I say yes. Other things you're gonna see them. So it will take time to do this, but anyway, I got 2. I'm gonna do, I have 2 of them, so I need to do that. So yeah, well, thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video. So don't forget what we did: volume up, volume down buttons plus the power key. Once you press them, once it's come on, you do what, you release your buttons. You get me? So that's it. So thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video, guys. I was looking for this video for so long time to do this, because until when I discovered out, I read somewhere and all that, yes, it was difficult for me. Please don't forget to subscribe, share. If you have something to ask, you can ask. But this is a very easy thing to do, but it took me time. So I was pressing volume up sometimes, okay, sometimes the right way, but I was not releasing the buttons at this quickly. You should release quickly as soon as you see the logo. Thanks. Bye, guys.